Rocky.
Why not?
I think it's because Rocky is a mountain, Messi.
And mountains can't move.
Ha! Stand aside, Zoe and Felix. I can fix this. Bala, bala, boo! I'm sure I felt a small movement.
Oh, I'm just too heavy. It's no good. I'm stuck.
There's got to be something that'll get you to the beach. I know! Let's ask Zam to invent a mountain moving machine.
Okay, Messi.
What seems to be the problem, Bessie?
Yes. Why did you need us here so quickly?
Zam, can you make a mountain moving machine, please? Really quickly.
You can't move a mountain, Messi.
Sorry, Messi. Even I can't invent something that can do that.
Oh.
Don't worry, Rocky. We'll think of something.
I've got it. We can't take Rocky to the beach, but we can bring the beach to Rocky.
What? How?
This is great! Look how fast I can go!
How long do you think this will take?
Millions and gazillions of years, I should think.
Oh, no. We'll be as old as Rocky before we finish. There's something missing.
Woo-wee! Anyone fancy an ice cream?